Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Then select the blue sweater next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it off. As you can see, auto brightness is now disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!